Hey guys, welcome back to Iber. As in the last session, I have told you that what's the basic structure of an HTML file and what are the use of the basic elements in HTML5. Like you can see here, doc type HTML is used to declare that we are using the latest HTML language, that's HTML5. HTML tag here is used as the root element of the HTML file. This root element consists of two parts, head and body. This both head and body consist of end tags too. Now head tag. Head tag consists of all the meta information which of our web page. Like you can see here, it consists the title of our web page. The title tag used here is used to give name to our web page. You can see the title tag. In the title tag I have written session 1. The same is written here, which means the title tag gives the name to our web page. There are many more tags which are used in head tag. In head part, I will show them in the next sessions, in next or upcoming sessions. Now body tag. Body tag consists of all the parts of all the things or all the contents we want to show on our web page. It has h1 tag, p tag, br tag, a tag, img tag, etc. The h1 tag. H1 tag is basically used to give headings to our web page. Like first web page, it's something we can give in our heading, so it's given it's written in h1 tag. H1 tag and p tags are always written in pairs, like start tag and end tag. Both have start tag and end tag. The first web page is written in heading as we have used them in between h1 tags. Now p tag. P tag is used to provide paragraphs in our web page. You can see the normal text written here, it's paragraph. Now some basic tags connects links and images etc. in our web page. Like a tag. A tag is called anchor tag. Anchor tag provides link or adds link to our web page. You can see here how to use an anchor tag here. First you have to define the name of a tag, a. Now href here is an attribute used with the anchor tag. Href provides the target of the link which we want to provide on our web page. The target is written here. Now you have to always remember that the target or something else, the source, the target, etc., or the name of the target is always written in double quoted commas or in single quoted commas if the content of is the target contains single quoted comma inside it, or the vice versa. Now we have to provide some name to our link. So we close the start tag, we write the name, and we then again insert a end tag. There's a special feature in VS Code that whenever we are working on a tag, now we want to close the tag, we just write the left angle bracket, we write slash, and it automatically inserts the end tag of the tag we are using. Now next, there's an image tag, img. You can see here that how to use an image tag. First you have to write img defining the image tag in the angle bracket. This image tag don't consist of any end tag. It only consists of start tag, and all the information inside it are provided through attributes. Now src here is again an attribute. This src attribute provides the target of the image. Like I have used the image emoji.jpg. Emoji.jpg is the image and it's covered in double quoted commas, and it's written in source because I haven't provided any other paths or other locations in the source link, because the session1.html, the name of my HTML file, and the image, both are present in the same folder at the same location. That's why I didn't require any extra link to show it or extra location to show it. Now alt tag is used as alternative text. Sometimes it might happen that you have removed the source or you have removed some image from the source folder. Now but you have provided the link in one of its source HTML file, so you might the browser might not be able to find the image. So the browser will instead of showing the image, will show an alternative text we have written already, like emoji. So I can write here this, there is an emoji, there was an emoji, you can write like there was an emoji. Now width and height attributes define the width of your image and height of the image. Now as I have already told you that src, alt, width, height, etc. are called attributes, or are called attributes which provide attributes to your to your HTML tags. Now let's achieve some depth for the fonts. The next tag is br tag. Br tag is used to provide line breaks in our web page. As you have seen, slash n command in C language and L command in C++ language. The br tag in HTML works the same as slash n and L tags or commands. It provides line breaks. It's recommended to write br tag with a slash in it, because it don't consist of any end tag. It only consists of a start tag. So whenever something consists of a start tag, you can end it with a slash. Like image tag can be ended with a slash. Now heading tag. I have already told you that what heading tags are and how it's used, or where are they used. Now there is some unique thing about heading tags, that heading tags can vary from 1 to 6. As the number increases, like h1, h2, h3, h4, the size of the font written in the heading tags get decreased. Like you can see h1, h2, h4 here. I will show you heading tag. See, heading tag written between h1 is the biggest, h2 is a little smaller, and h4 is quite smaller than h2. So it varies. Now next tag is I have, as we have discussed the links we can use in web page. The links can be of two type: relative and absolute. Relative links are the links which we we refer to somewhere. Like we have referred this link to somewhere. Okay, let's see this. The anchor tag here refers to a relative link, because this link is not present in our data, in our database. It's pointing somewhere else or on some other page which are not written by us. And absolute tags are those tags, or absolute links are those links that are present in our code only. Like you can see in src, the image.jpg don't require any http and www dot something. It only requires the name and the type and the extension type of the image. This is called absolute link, and this is called relative link. Now attributes. Attributes can be of many types. Some of the attributes I have shown you on the upper side, like src, alt, height and width. One of the attribute can be used in HTML root tag. Lang attribute. Lang attribute is used to define language of our HTML file. Like I have written this, lang equals to double quoted commas en. En here defines that English language is being used in our HTML file. Now style attribute. Style attributes are used to provide formatting to our text and web page. The You can see here how to use an style attribute. Style equals to double quoted commas color colon tomato. Now Visual Studio Code also provides the color options to you. Like you can these options are not provided in the notepad. You can get them here. That's why I prefer to use Visual Studio Code. Now you can see color tag or color type in the style attributes. The style attributes consist of many more other things like color, and you can also add like background color, background color background color can like um, like shaded blue, or you can change it from here like this color. Okay, this color. Now you have to use the angle bracket here. N. Now this heading is made up of style attributes, will be written with color with font color tomato and background color uh, RGB 16. I will tell you how to define colors. In case you are not working on Visual Studio Code, then you must know that how these colors are used and how can you make it more attractive. Now you have to use the h1 close tag. H1 close tag. Now let me show you it on the website. See, our font is in our font is in tomato color, and the background of the font is in blue is in caded blue color. Now this is now the next attribute is title attribute. Title attributes is basic attribute is basically used to provide title to our content. Like you can see here, we have provided title to. Please drag your cursor over here to see my title. You will see the title. This is title attribute. You can see here in the practically, this is title attribute. See, on dragging my cursor here, you can see this is title attribute as a title of this paragraph. Now there are different type of breaks in our web page. I have already told you that what is BR break. The other one is HR break. HR break is used to provide HR break, or you can say horizontal ruler. It provides a line in our web page or a partition. You can see here types of break. One is BR, other is HR. Now both these tags are exceptional tags because they don't contain any end tag. As you can see, um, the HR tag used here will provide some lining. See, the HR tag, we used HR tag after the HR tag is used to draw horizontal line like this, and this. Now I haven't showed you guys that how to run this program or run this file on the browser. First you go click on run tab, then click on run without debugging. Select the browser, like I have selected Chrome here. Okay, I have already opened it, so I will close it and repeat the process. Now see, it's open here. Now if you make some changes in your HTML file, now like I have written, let me show you on the first. I have copied it and pasted it again. So you just have, if you did some edits on here, just click on the restart circle. The changes will be done here automatically. So that's it for this session, guys. For any queries, you can contact us through comment section. Thank you.